Hi friends, today I want to talk to you about this word average. When we say what is the average of something, what do we mean? Haha. So, average, like what's the average age of a sixth grader? Probably somewhere between 11 and 12 years old. So what does that mean, somewhere in between? What I'm saying is I'm looking at the middle of the data. Like if I looked at all the data, what would be kind of in the middle? That would be the mean. That's a measure of center. The mean, the mean, yes, that's actually the word. The mean is a measure of center. And that's what most people mean when they talk about average. But how do we find that? You may remember from 5th grade how to do this with just a couple of numbers. Now you're going to see that you can do it with any number, any set of numbers. Here I have a statistical question. How many dollars did each student raise during the fundraiser? Here I have 6 points of data. The first point is $20. I should put a dollar sign here. And this is how many students. So student number. Student. Okay, so this is student 1 raised 20. Student 2 raised 30. Student 3 raised 5. Student 4 raised 35. Student 5 raised 38. Student 6 raised 26. So now, what I could do is if I said, well, what was the average amount that a student raised during this fundraiser? I might actually say, what is the mean for the amount raised by a student during this fundraiser? And to do so, I would have to add all my values up. So 20 plus 30 plus 5 plus 35 plus 38 plus 26, and then I'm going to have to divide the whole thing by the number of values I have. Like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so I have 6 values. So now I just need to do my big addition here. 20 plus 30 is 50, plus 5, 55, 85, 90, plus 50 is 140, plus 14 is 154. And then divided by 6. Now you're allowed to use a calculator at this point in the year, so let's just go ahead and say 154 divide by 6, and the answer is 25.67. And so if you were to ask me what is the average of how many dollars each student raised during the fundraiser, I might first say, what do you mean? But then I'd go and I'd find the mean, because that's what most people mean, and I would add up all my values, divide by the number of values, and find a number which represents the center of the data. And that measure of center is called mean. We'll learn about some others coming up soon. Have a great day, everybody.